Hello, welcome to coffee hour. That sounds rubbish. Thanks for joining us. We're going to talk very quickly about how you get more stable images by doing one simple trick. And I learned it off a YouTuber. I can't remember who it was, but when I heard him talk about it, I'm like, oh, that's brilliant. And I can explain it really quickly. When you take a photo, what often happens is you think this hand's just cosmetic and just sits there, but this hand is controlling all the action. What happens is this hand that's controlling all the action, at the same time it presses the shutter, it does that, right? So things come out of focus, things get messy. Take this hand and support the weight of your camera with this hand. Shoot with this hand, and this one just is doing the magic, but this hand is doing all the hard work. And so you come up to something and you're holding it like this, and you're sort of focused in, and then you, rather than going like this, that can get clunky and stuff can get out of focus. You can get movement where you don't want it. So this way, your camera stays stable and you get the shot that you want. Thanks for joining again. See ya in the next video. Bye.